Good day everyone! Welcome to the Curse of Emeda. At ngayon, sasapatusin natin ang Nike line signature ni Easy Money Sniper at NBA 2-time world champion na si KD13. So let's go! Let's unbox this thing. Okay, starting off with the box, it's KD13 number 7. So number 7, usually bago niya nirelease ang sapatos na to, hype na yung number 7. Marami nagtataka. At yun yung time na nag-sign na siya sa Brooklyn Nets at number 7 ginamit niya. So this side naman is the KD13 signature. Then the front side is the Nike swoosh. So hindi mawawala yan. And this side naman, ito yung KD logo and size details. So on the bottom, usually Nike stuff, some details about these shoes. So ayan. Okay, opening the box, and this one is solid na Nike KD13. Yan, ang sobrang gara. So this is the third colorway na nilabas ng Nike. And ito nga, no, so black, white, and white gray. And that's the colorway of the shoes. Upper portion is lightweight textile. So sa midsole naman tayo, ayan, siya is file-on na may batik-batik kulay, which meron ding engraved na number 7. So yung outsole niya napaka-solid nung rubber. This one have also a Nike swoosh, synthetic, and also heel panel niya, synthetic leather. So you're looking at that, so ito para siyang kind of foam yung tang niya. Then let's check the insole. So ito, yan na nga yung KD13 Air Zoom. So double stack Air Zoom system. So papaliwanag natin yan mamaya. Then you have flat laces, a lacing system which connected sa heel panel niya. Okay, this image shows the full length Air Zoom straddle sa loob ng KD13 yan sa insole. Then dito naman sa forefoot ang Air Zoom bag. So traction tayo, circular pattern traction, just like PG4. Then yun yung orange, this is the Air Zoom forefoot, yung kanina natin pinakita. Then ayan, yung kulay orange na to is the KD13 signature, which is have a foam inside. Ayan, so papakita natin mamaya na malinaw. Okay, checking out some features na itong KD13 Air Zoom, naka-engrave sa corner. Alam ko meron din tong Nike engrave sa back naman ng outsole niya, yung sa papuntang heel. So there you have it. And also KD signature. Then this one, KD logo dun sa sa padded collar o dun sa heel. And also small Nike swoosh dun sa sa forefoot, no, yung dun sa textile niya. Nike swoosh leather and heel panel with Nike overlay dun sa kabilang side. Okay, so overall, some of the reviewers, no, pinipili nila, or when you purchase this KD13, you go through to size. But then again, some of usually issues like wide yung forefoot mo, kailangan mong magtaas ng sizes niya. Okay, so standout features na itong KD13 is mostly on traction at saka cushioning thing that might with the stock, the the double stack air zoom system na ito is napaka-standout talaga, no? So try natin yan, hopefully magamit natin tong KD13 for performance review. So hanggang dito muna, don't forget to subscribe and thanks for watching.